friends, I'm Michelle.
I'm Paris. I'm Florence.
Nice to meet you again. And today we're gonna do what?
We're gonna plant beets.
We're gonna plant beets. The tool we're gonna use today is shovel.
We'll need your gardening, your beets from your gardening packet.
Yeah, the beet seeds.
And you'll need a stick that 3 inches.
Yeah, something can measure 3 inches.
A ruler could be fine too.
Okay, it's simple. Let's go. Step 1. Lose the soil. You can use a hand rake to lose your soil a little bit.
Or a big rake.
Yeah.
Or you can use a stick like one.
Yeah, and you want to choose a place that has
a
lot of sunlight because the beets might need 5 to 8 hours sunlight.
Yeah, but it can't be like the desert that hot.
Now it's time to dig a hole. Use your finger. You can use your finger to make a hole. Yeah, that's the first one.
But you need a 3-inch to measure it, and then you will point it.
Here, Paris, can you show us how to measure 3 inches?
Sure. For this activity, you'll need a pencil, popsicle sticks, normal sticks. But for pencils, you can also use pens or markers. It's on you, so use a ruler, and we're gonna use inches, not centimeters, okay? So put your stick, popsicle, or whatever stick in right on that spot. And see the street, that's 3 inch. Then draw a line. There. Now you know this is 3 inch.
Okay, now we're gonna take this stick to go outside to measure in the soil. Yeah, as we just measured, and the other one, the distance, yes, and that's the second hole. And then measure the other one.
It'll be like this one.
Yeah. And then
you can put another one.
Yeah.
You're gonna put 9 holes.
Yeah, today we will plant 9 holes. So how many holes depends on how large field your area is, and depends on do you want to use your pot to plant or plant it in the soil field.
If you use a pot, maybe 2 in each hole, and you might I suggest maybe 5 or 6.
Yeah, the number is very depends on the size of your pot. Okay, now we get 9 holes. Now I will give you each of you no, 我重新说哈. For each hole we need 2 seeds. So I will give you, and you count 2 for each, okay?
Yeah, and I wonder what they will be look like.
Oh, see?
Oh.
What it looks like?
It looks like salt, but it's lighter brown.
Okay.
I mean, no, not salt. No.
It's very dry, right?
Yeah. So 2 in this hole.
Uh-huh. Now you can cover the hole gently with the soil. Now we're gonna watering the soil. Florence?
If you're gonna use a
Watch
hose,
out.
you have to turn it into shower. So this is shower. And then water while you have plant your trees.
Yeah.
I mean bees.
Remember, water it every day and use a lot of water because bees likes water.
Make it so cute, like a swamp. Oh, and speaking of watering, don't forget to water your other plants too that you have planted in first grade gardening.
Yeah.
Wild flowers. Or peas, gosh.
Okay, that's it. Thank you, Paris. Paris, Florence, have you ever eat bees before?
I haven't, but I think I know, but I think beets it's a kind of carrot, and it's purplish.
It is. We do eat the roots of the bees, and the bees is kind of have some a little reddish color or purplish color, right? Yes. And can you guess what's the taste of it?
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay, let's try.
And here's the fact.
When we harvest it.
And here's the fact. Did you know the root part is where we eat it? It's basically like carrots. The root part is the orangey part. But for the beets, the roots are the purple and red part. Orchards, sometimes we eat the purple and the red one.
Yeah, that one is the roots of the vegetables. Sometimes we eat the leaves and sometimes we eat the roots and sometimes we eat the stem. Now we not talk about the fact about the beets. So the first one is the weather, the season. So bless you. So which seasons are best to grow the beets? Do you know?
Oh, beets are kind of weird. It's not like other plants. Some flowers grow in summer that. But beets actually could grow any season. But except there's a little problem. If it's summer and it's very hot, we suggest you don't want to plant the beets.
Yeah, because the bees, if it's too hot, then the bees cannot grow very large. So that's why. Okay, about the soil. Do you know what kind of the soil it fits?
Oh, remember last time we did the layers?
Uh-huh.
You can go back and check out the layers, but we're not. But you have to use clay. It's the topper part.
Okay. And it does need clay, and actually it can fit any hard clay soil, and any type of the soil. It's actually fine for the bees, you know. And the sunlight. Just now we mentioned how many hours of the sunlight feeds the beets.
I forgot, but maybe 8 to 9 or something hour.
Okay, it's 5 to 8 hours is the best. The more the better. Okay, water. Does it need less water or more water?
More water, so that's why you can't plant beets in deserts, or else it'll get too hot that the beets will overheat, so you can't grow them.
Yes. Thank you.